What's up everyone? It is Jason here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to share with you 3 things that you could do to either be a better DJ, to keep the fire burning as a DJ, and to improve your performances as a DJ. All 3 things you can accomplish with these 3 same action items, if you will, to help make you just better all the way around. The first thing doesn't cost any money at all, and that is to observe, not critique, to observe other DJs in motion and working, to sit back and to check out someone. Go visit someone when they're playing in a bar. If you're attending a wedding, pay attention to what the DJ's doing. Pay attention to things that you can learn. Pay attention to things that may have worked or maybe things that may have not worked. And just keep note of that and incorporate that into your world in any way that you can. And that's the first tip. The second tip is to follow, to support, and to listen to other DJs, especially their live sets from parties, events, clubs, bars, weddings, whatever. Find your favorite DJ on Mixcloud, on SoundCloud, on Twitch. Follow them, check them out, listen to what they release, and observe and enjoy what they're sharing with the world. And if you're a DJ watching this and you're not sharing your mixes, especially live mixes, I'd love to encourage you to do so. You can find my mixes on sceradio.com. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can check out some of my work right here today. And the third thing, this is the only thing that actually costs a little bit of money, and that is support Crate Hackers. And I know it's an app that we've talked about a lot here on this channel, and that's for good reason. Crate Hackers is a super tool for a lot of reasons. There are these super cool bonus tools that every user of the platform gets access to that can help you be better, that can help you be faster, more efficient, and more effective as a DJ. But the thing that really kind of takes Crate Hackers to the next level, and what it's really all about, is a community of DJs, even myself, that share their sets, their playlists, the crates that they've put together and used at real deal events. And it's like you get kind of a look into their mind, a look into that party, and you're able to take that information and adapt it to your Serato, maybe hunt for new music, find new producers, find new edits, and make your shows better. That's really what it's all about. I'm a huge advocate for the Crate Hackers family because I feel that those guys have really elevated what we all have access to. It's really just a powerful super tool for any and every DJ. It doesn't matter if you're a hobbyist or you've been doing this for 30 years. Crate Hackers is a super plug. And on that platform, you get access to tools, but you get access to actual crates and sets and events that people have performed and have crushed, and it's just awesome to be able to do that. Anyway, I'm going to put a link to Crate Hackers in the description of this video, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to smash the thumbs up button, and if you're new here to this channel, be sure to jump on board and support my journey here on this platform with some sub love down below. Just hit that subscription button, and I'm releasing like 2, 3, 4 videos a week, all about varied content to help DJs become better DJs to be better business owners, and everything in between. And if you feel that and you want to support me and all of that, please jump on board and support this channel with some love. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.